Abby here. Happy life in Hawaii has been distracted by the pandemic challenges faced by our world today. So in this video, I reiterate an important message for the sake of our children, grandchildren, and generations to come. A message I stumbled upon about the Czech Republic, one of the few countries who took it seriously early when some officials were saying we should only need to wear a mask if we are sick. The government declared early in Czech Republic, everyone who leaves their house has to wear a face mask. Tough love worked. Their spread took an early downward curve compared to the other European countries. Imagine, what if we all practiced tough love like them? I'll leave a link below to their video. But moving forward, we now know one could have the virus but not show any symptoms. Our government leaders are trying their best to keep us safe, but nobody knows really when that will be. Until scientists develop a sure way to stop it, play it safe. Use your own common sense. The best way to stop the virus, of course, is for everyone to stay at home. But if you must leave your home, just wear the mask and wear it whenever you leave your home, not just when you are required to wear them. I know, I hear it. Questions whether masks work. Some say masks harm more than help. Some criticize how homemade masks give a false sense of protection. Should our homemade masks have a wire or special filter to work? Lots of debate and conflicting information. Here's what the Czech Republic have to say about that.
I know, they may be told you that masks wouldn't protect you, but there are studies proving that even a homemade mask can be partially protective. Partially. Any protection is essential today. But now the more important thing. Masks fundamentally prevent the transmission from you to others by sneezing, coughing, but also breathing. And many people are the most contagious before they start showing symptoms. So, when we both have a face mask, I protect you, you protect me, and we are both safe.
According to our professional experience, a simple homemade mask can prevent up to 100% of the spread of potentially infected microdroplets.
The more people use masks, the less virus can be distributed and fewer individuals are exposed.
Just a few days ago, people were laughing at those who wore masks. But some people knew about this positive effect and started to share this information across social media. The message grew fast through artists, influencers, and others. And we know that here we have fundamentally repressed the infection. Please share this knowledge and help us to change as many countries as possible. I protect you, you protect me.
I agree. Any mask is better than no mask at all. I protect you, you protect me. That's how it should be. Yes, there's a mask shortage, and we should save the medical-grade COVID masks for our heroes on the front line, nurses, doctors, and emergency first responders who need them the most. So we adapt and make our homemade masks for ourselves and for others who can't make them. If you can't get a mask, or don't know how to sew, or can't find materials to make the mask, there's some crafty geniuses on YouTube who share great solutions. Here's my two favorite mask geniuses in their element. Jan Howell says if you got 5 minutes, a t-shirt, and a pair of scissors, she got you. No sewing at all. I'll share the link to her full video at the end. Take a peek. Super cool. If you got sewing skills, Brittany Bailey has worked out a great mask idea and worked out all the safety issues. Love her design. Take a peek. Leave links to more of my favorite mask tutorials and tips by other geniuses in the description below. Check them out, and if you love them, spread the aloha by commenting and liking their videos for their hard work. Remember, any mask is better than no mask at all. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. Take it seriously. For the sake of our children, grandchildren, and generations to come. If you agree, please help me get this message out to the world from Hawaii with love by liking and sharing my video with others. You're also welcome to subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I come up with next. Remember, I wear a mask for you, you wear a mask for me. I protect you, you protect me. Practice aloha every day, and together we will get through this. It's that time to say, Abby out.